Bahco floor scraper. Is that even a thing? Anyways, let's find out. So here's the deal. I've raved about this thing for years and years and years for working on furniture. This is the floor of the room that's going to be my kid's bedroom. And it has this ugly old varnish on it. And so I have a card scraper that I've tried, and that works for some of the boards that are cupped or scooped. I have a powerful sander that's okay. It's not getting into some of these scoop boards. But I wanted to see if I could just reduce the amount of finish by using the Bahco. And what I'm finding is the answer is yes. As long as the boards are level and kind of even with each other, this one took a little bit of a scrape. This one took a little bit of a scrape. But honestly, I'm going to come back with a sander and run over this. And so this saves me so much time with the sander not having to cut through this kind of, the finish heats up and gets a little soft and rubbery, and then it's hard to pull out. And so having the scraper take that layer off, it exposes the wood, which then sands very quickly and easily. On some of the boards that are cupped, I've had some success turning the scraper just to make it narrower. To reach in there. But like even this, it's supposed to be kind of a rustic northeast vibe that we're going for, kind of Nantucket cabin. So having some texture in the floor, if this was going to be a problem, I wouldn't do it. But it's not going to be a problem. So as you can see, I can kind of give it a twist, come in a few different ways. And this is, like I said, this is just going to really speed it up for the sander. I plan to do maybe like an hour or two of this a day. And then in a week's time, the whole room will be done, unless we get, so I can get my kids to help me. So good luck to me with that. But again, this, I don't know if it's a 665. Yep, 665. It's the big one. I recommend it with the knob. Makes it a whole lot easier to hang on to, gives you a lot of leverage. And just an unbelievably fantastic tool. This is the 2.5-inch blade, but you can get it with a narrower blade. So anyways, highly recommend this thing. Go get yourself one.